Hi, hello, namaskar to everyone. Myself Suman speaking for Krishna Pulse Hyderabad. Welcome to all the viewers who are already watching our live program and requesting rest of them also please join with us as early as possible. Our company is started 1983, so we have around 38 years of huge experience in this jewelry and pearl industry. We believe customer is our God. Our company's main motto is customer satisfaction rather than earning profits. Our company meaning is quality, trust, customer services and reasonable pricing. Today I bring in front of you beautiful gold chains and some earrings and some balis. So first we will see the overview once, then again we will explain each and every product clearly. This beautiful traditional one with you can use choker and necklace matching earrings. This is called as Amritsar design, and one more elegant piece is with emeralds. You can match with bracelet and long jhumka also. So one more modern piece is very beautiful choker cum satlada, newly arrived entirely with tanzanite and ruby stones. You can match with champaswaras and matching earrings also. You can put the contradiction earrings also. And one more classic piece. Previously also you can see this one with emerald, Russian emerald and light color rubies with matching earring. And this is the antique chain with rubies and some South Sea pearls. You can match with the traditional jhumka also with this. So before explaining each and every product, first we will see our brand name, company's brand name and brand address, then I will explain clearly each and every product. So our company's brand name is Krishna Pulse. We have around 5 branches. Our main branch is Jubilee Hills Road number 36, just 100 meters away from the metro station on the way to Peddamma Temple and just opposite to the Behind Coffee Store. We have 2 gold schemes. If you want related questions, please call this number or WhatsApp to this number 70933244141. They will tell clearly what are the conditions and rules for the 2 gold schemes. Or if you want to directly purchase from our website address is www.krishnapulse.com. Once again I am repeating, www.krishnapulse.com. You will get the plenty of collections of pulse with combination of gold and silver. You will get the all types of photos also there, front end and back end of the products also. So we have an video call shopping facility is also available. That number is 92480-36721. Once again I am repeating, 92480-36721. You can ask any questions or any other related designs if you want to see also, WhatsApp this number. And we have an international shipping facility is also available, that too free all over major countries. And if it is national level from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we are not charged a single rupee also, total free shipping. And if it is local, our person personally comes and hand over the products personally. So we will see today's product with the elegant piece of emerald. This is called as Nizami style. It's a beautiful long chain with antique Nakshi balls we are introduced in between. Purely studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark is also there. Designed by our designers and made in our work unit. See the clarity of the stones, little bit dark emerald. See from starting onwards, we are using 4 rows. See the antique look here. It can look very nice when little bit elder people wear. See the falling also, little bit graduation is there, smaller to higher end. And this can be wearable by gents also. We will see the weights and prices of this chain. This gross weight is around 45 grams and net weight is around 26 grams. And here we are using in the natural emerald in this, and the price is 2,40,000. 2,40,000 you will get a very elegant piece. I will show the matching bracelet also. Little bit shade is difference, little bit lighter cut emerald these are. but very beautiful piece. This is also studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark. You can see. We will see the weights and prices of this one. Gross weight is around 17 grams approximately, and net weight is around 10 grams, and price is very reasonable, around 87,000 is the price. Don't think this is the final price. We will do very best deal. Please WhatsApp, please take the snapshot and approach our team. We will do very best deal. And what I am telling, all the prices are approximate prices only, which are present in the tag. If you want exact prices, if you WhatsApp, then we will give the exact prices. See, one more beautiful piece with long hanging. This is called as chandelier type, or you can call it jhumka also. In this you will get other colors also, red, white, with pulse also this is present. Beautiful Nakshi design we are done here. Dark emerald. This is made in Mumbai screw. On your request we will do the Chennai screw or pushing also. See, beautiful Nakshi design stud, and then chandelier type, around 3-5 rows are there. One emerald drop is there. On the emerald drop also we are given the gold bead, gold cap. This is also made in 22 carats gold with hallmark is there. Gross weight is 29 grams approximate, and net weight is 26 grams. And the price is approximately 1,60,000. 1,60,000 is the price. You can make a beautiful set. Once again, see the 3 rows, elegant gold chain and matching jhumkas and matching bracelet. You can match this as a set also. You can buy this as a set also. So next we will see the today's highlight piece. Very modern piece. Around 5 rows. Panchalada you can call as. This is basically called as the Satlada category. And with the choker also, we provide the choker also with the tanzanite stones, not blue sapphire. These are tanzanite stones and cut emerald. Just in the evening, yesterday evening it is arrived. In between some C-jets we are done. First we will see the choker weights and prices. Gross weight is 74 grams in the choker with C-jets and tanzanite stones with milky white pearls. Gross weight is 74 grams and net weight is 12 grams only, and the price is reasonable only, 1,67,000. Please take the snapshot if anybody want to buy and approach our team. Our team is ready to give very best deal. 1,67,000. So you can see that this is the new, entirely new piece, Panchalada, with beautiful pendants. 5 pendants are there. And that also tanzanite stones are there. Uncut stones. Here we are using the cut stones. That's why little bit lighter ones. And ruby or cut ruby. Natural freshwater pearls. Inside is total nylon silk thread. Nylon silk thread is very strong. We use 2-3 rows. And once again I will show you closely. See. Back side we are provided the dory. So according to the your dress code, neck length, you can adjust this one. It will match on all dresses also. Red dresses, blue dresses, and green also. It looks contradiction and very nice also. Can wear on traditional saris, pattu saris also. It looks very nice. And gents also can wearable this one. And the dhoti functions and sharwa and the sherwanis, you can use this one.
Yes, clarity.
Just see once clarity because it is.
Stones.
You can check the clarity of the stones. Purely studded in 22 carats gold. And the middle pendants we are using the C-jets also for giving the glitters, just like diamond glitters. We will see the weights and prices of this one. This gross weight is 116 grams Heavy weight is there, but net weight is 59 grams is the gold in this. Rest of all pulse stones and rubies. And price is a little bit higher end only, but entirely new piece. Price is around 5,82,000. 5,82,000 is the higher end only. But if anybody likes, please take the snapshot and WhatsApp to our team. Our team will give the very best deal, because gold is less in this one. So rest of the items we have chance to give more discount. So we will see the earrings also. Not complete matching, little bit just newly arrived this one, that's why I am showing. This is also made in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark is there, with light color stones, green stones and red and milky white pulse. Cut stones all are with CJets we are provided just like Chandbali type. Very beautiful, different shade is there, different shade of the stones is there. This is with Mumbai screw. On your request we will do the Chennai screw or pushing type. Here it looks very beautiful. This is a little bit modern tinge also. You can wear on dresses also, modern dresses also. This we will see the weights and prices. Gross weight is 30 grams and net weight is 13.4 grams. So price is around 1,11,000. 1,11,000. Once you can see the total set, you can buy as a set also choker, panchlada and earring. So this is second set, and today's classic piece, this one classic choker you can call as this one. Very broad pendant is there with CJets and Russian emerald and red color stones. With 3 types of pendants here and one big pendant. See, very broad pendant, broad choker, and tell very classic piece. When you wear it, definitely will get the compliments. Inside is nylon silk thread here. We will use 2-3 rows. Back side we are provided the dory. So according to your neck length and dress code, you can adjust the length. This is also made in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark is there, red and green color stones with freshwater milky white pearls and CJets. CJets are given cut like polkis. And we will see the weights and prices of this chain. Once you can see closely, starts with the dory. Dory also very beautiful one. You can call this today's classic piece, this one. This is choker cum necklace. This we will see the weights and prices. Gross weight is 79 grams including stones, gold, CJets, and net weight is 24 grams and total price is 2,30,000. 2,30,000 will get a definitely a good piece. Very classic piece, this one. So we will see the matching earrings also, this one, because nowadays our customers are telling you are not showing the matching earrings. That's why today I bring all matching earrings. See, big stud and small hanging is there. 3 Russian emerald drops is there. And in this gross weight is 16.7 grams and net weight is around 8 grams is net weight. And price is very reasonable, just 63,000. Approximate price 63,000. Exactly matching for this classic choker. Purely studded in 22 carats gold with hallmark is there. Made in backside pushes in Mumbai screw. And hallmark will be present on 2 pieces, not a single piece. On your request, we will do the pushing type or Chennai screw. This is today's classic piece. So we will see one more. It's a beautiful today's antique look giving antique piece with big ruby, uncut rubies and champagne color South Sea pearls. In between antique gold balls we are using different shapes, 3 types of shapes: ball shape, oval shape and rectangle shape. Backside we are provided the dory. So you can this can be wearable by gents also, on kids also, on dhoti functions and sherwanis also. See, in the starting also we are given very good putties, two gold putties with some cone type with Nakshi design is there. Then again inside is total nylon silk thread. We use 2-3 rows. Total antique look gold balls we are used. See the clarity of the stones, and in South Sea pulse very less inclusions are there. All of you know that South Sea is very premium quality pulse. We will see the weights and prices of this one. This is gross weight is 98 grams, very heavy weight, and net weight is just 43 grams is the net weight. So price is a little bit higher end only, 3,83,000. So if anybody particularly wants a little bit antique look, different shapes, then they will take the snapshot and approach our team. I will show the matching earrings, not exactly matching, little bit traditional one these are, but you can wear. Contraction also looks very nice. Traditional jhumka with champagne color, very purest quality pulse, and in between big ruby drop, uncut ruby drop. Here we have provided a big stud. It's CJets. This gross weight is 27.6 grams and net weight is around 20 grams is the net weight. So for each piece is 10 grams is the net weight. This is made in purely 22 carats gold with hallmark is there, designed by our designers and made in our work unit, and the price is just 1,37,000. You can see very beautiful piece, 1,37,000. We will get a complete jhumka. We will make this one in Mumbai screw. On your request, we will do the Chennai screw or pushing type. Little bit red and green stones also used in this. So once again see the total set. Today's antique look set. Different types of Nakshi gold balls with traditional jhumka combination. For all of them we are provided the dories. So we will see today's next set. See, this is also with back end with support by dory. Total this is called as Amritsar set, today's traditional set, very old design. Generally it will present only pulse, but I am showing today with multicolor, ruby and emerald shapes. Cut stones all are used. This you can use a choker or a necklace also. I will show once again closely. Very traditional one, this one. See the flower type ruby beads, and then little bit mango shape pulse and emerald is there. Then we are given the little bit uncut hangings, ruby and emerald. We will see the weights and prices of this one. This gross weight is 42 grams and net weight is around 30 grams, and the price is 2,73,000. 2,73,000, very traditional set. I will show the matching earrings for this. See, same Amritsar design earrings with multicolor stones, red and green and pearls. Totally started in 22 carats gold with hallmark is there, designed by our designers and made in our work unit. Total big stud is there. Then again broad hanging is there. Then we are giving the little bit hangings, red and green. This is with Mumbai screw. On your request, we will do the Chennai screw or pushing. We will see the weights and prices of this one. This gross weight is around 19.3 grams and net weight is around 17.3 grams, and the price is very reasonable, 1,23,000 only. 1,23,000. If anybody misses our live program, then that is saved in our IGTV. Please watch that. We will telecast in YouTube, Instagram and Facebook also. So we will see one more beautiful piece, today's special piece, Champas for us, with red rubies and milky white pearls. 3 rows we are used here. beautiful piece. In this, so many designs are available in our store. If you say hi and ask about these champers for us, then we will show plenty of collections in this. We will see the weights and prices of this one. Gross weight is 30 grams and net weight is 15 grams, and the price is very reasonable, just 1,15,000. In 1,15,000 you are getting very traditional and beautiful classic one. It gives a little bit modern also. Generally the traditional ones are different. Here we are used to pulse, so little bit modern tinge also we are used. In this, so many collections are there. So hoping all of you like today's episode. If anybody want to see more designs, please WhatsApp to our WhatsApp number. Then our team is ready. They will show the all products in the store by video call. Once again I am repeating, 92480-36721. All of you know our number, 92480-36721. So we have around 4 branches are there. Our first branch is located in near Charminar, Old City. Very traditional store, that one. And the second store is very royal collections are available in Hotel Taj Krishna H level. Very beautiful store. And 2 more stores are available in Novotel Hotel and High-Tech International Convention Center. Very fast moving object products are available there. And the exclusive and very premium quality store is available in Jubilee Hills Road number 36. All of you know that. In the ground floor, diamond collections, polki collections and plain gold and stone collections are available. Especially the ground floor is meant for the marriage occasions. And the second floor is especially designed for the pulse section. Pulse with combination of gold and pulse with combination of silver you will get, with a little bit stone combination also. So we will get the plenty of collection varieties of pulse. Example, Basra pulse, South Sea pulse, Tahiti pulse, Mikimoto pulse, Akai pulse, freshwater pulse. Different types of pulse collections you will get. And from 1.5 year onwards we have started the Krishna's House of Silver in the second floor itself. We will get the plenty of good quality products with pure silver. 92.5% silver symbol is also available there. We will take the order from small item to big items. We will get the plenty of variety of collections, just like crockery items, idols of gods and goddesses, and wall clocks, dining tables, chairs. So if anybody have time, please visit our store. Our store timings are morning 10:30 to evening 8:30 for customers. So hoping you like today's episode, and thanking you for giving this opportunity. Signing out, Suman. Bye bye. Dhanyavad.